Man, all right. Good morning. I knew something was off. I could lean back a little bit too far in my chair. Um, yeah, we about to get started here in a couple seconds. About to get started here in a couple seconds. Well, make sure y'all like the stream. I could finally. I don't know what was up yesterday. Uh, it just was not. Yeah, it just wasn't working. Not gonna lie, it just wasn't working. Uh, but it seems to be cool today. Um, yeah, I don't know what was going on yesterday, but it did not want to, uh, just didn't want to work. So that's fine. Um, give me a second. Log into my broker, which I think that's what it was. I forgot to turn the caps lock off after I turned it back on. Nonetheless, nonetheless, let's see if we can get a nice little trade on the funded accounts today. See. See what that looking like. We got that draw yesterday. Was looking for us to take out Friday's high. Slowly but surely we did. I expected a little bit more aggressive move down that we did not get. Um, so yeah, it's all good. We're we're kind of, I wouldn't say pinned, but we we're not in a bad spot on Nasdaq. Um, I feel like our POI would be like 25.50. Um, where we spent most of our time at yesterday. I feel as though that'd be a good area. Um, we gotta see though. Where's our? Wow, they are way out of there. Um, so yeah, we got a higher time frame pivot right there. Uh, black line right here. That's 25.730. For NQ. Um, hmm, you know, we got like this 4 hour gap um that we could tap into. So we could be patient for that. I would say on the more aggressive side, uh, we got this 15-minute gap right here. I'm not even gonna say that. Let's just see where this opens up. Overnight is it was kind of just pinned up here in this area, as y'all can see. So, yeah, I am suspecting. I am suspecting a a move down today. But we'll be patient. You know, we're not gonna force it. If we get an entry, we do. If we don't, we don't. Yesterday didn't get like the cleanest entry, so I didn't take a trade on the props, but what is that? Yeah, didn't take a trade on the props, but we was able to make some money on. Was able to make some money on options. So I think I'm gonna turn the cursor on for y'all because sometimes I just like, you know, be going like that. So yeah. But yeah, it's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day for sure, for sure. Make sure y'all like the stream, Um, subscribe to the channel. Join the Discord server. You know, we got our social medias in the description. Go check them out. You know what I'm saying, and yeah, I know today's gonna be a good day. So I am, you know, already calling it. Already calling it. I kind of peeped NDX like that first 15 minutes is a little bit insane. So we're gonna wait today and be patient. More patient than we was yesterday. More patient than we was yesterday. And yeah. Gonna be more patient than we were yesterday. We got equal lows on it. ES at like 9:30 last night. Which is just about inside that 15-minute just inside the 15-minute gap, right where Asia lows are. So let's see. Wow, ES is really kind of like up there. So we're going to be looking at NQ. See if we can sweep Asia. And then get a move on. Get a move on up. Yeah, you see these pivots are kind of like, you know, it's like right there. So, um, yeah, let's see where's the draw at. Coming a couple points away from sweeping Asia isn't I don't like to see that, so to speak. But we for sure, if we get up here 630, we'll play that rejection off of that pivot. Uh, you know, you know, like we do every day. We take the same trades, or same setup, win, lose, or draw. Um, so yeah, same setups, win, lose, or draw. Um, Okay. Show me some then. Show me some then. Thank you. Show me a little some. Took Asia. Thing is, sorry, I'm trying to flip charts, but Discord's taking forever. Oh, come on. Where you at, Spy? Oh. I don't know why Discord takes so long. Computer just slow, but okay. Let's see if it will pop up when I get this freaking screen off of my screen, you know? See if it works then. We are getting a new computer soon though. So praise the Lord for that. Server. Bada boom. Bada bing. Yeah. Yeah, Spy got some splaining to do. Let's see. We looks like we're not gonna get that 30. So let's see at this next one, 24.40. If it wants to give us a bounce, which would be just about in this general area. We don't have any, but we have this 2-minute right here. That we could try something off of, but you know, I'd rather wait for I'd rather wait for the pivots or one of our setups to show. because I wouldn't this inversion right here, it's 2-minute inversion. I'm not the biggest fan of it, especially because it's still the first 15 minutes of the market open. And actually, let's check our trusty dusty news. What's today? The government shut down? Is the government shut down? Does anybody know? They always doing something, bro. I thought they passed the bill to stop the shutdown like a few days ago, or maybe like Monday, something like that. It's crazy. It's crazy, muchacho. Oh, that's Wordle. We didn't play Wordle yesterday though. Let's see if we play today. Pivots, sorry, are not calculating on SPY, which is a little suspicious. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little suspicious, just a little bit, just a little bit. It's a little suspicious, but let's see. We got a new volume profile drawn over here on the right. Still getting used to it. It's not like set, so it goes based off of whatever candles you have on the screen. So yeah, but yeah, looks like we're gonna put in a 5-minute gap right here, which I think I'm gonna mark out on the future side instead of that 2-minute. And our point of control just flipped right here. So it's looking like we're going to see 24. We're getting held up right here because you have a pivot right here on the higher time frame. So just be patient. I keep texting me, bro. Let's see. Try some NDX calls down here at 24. Let's see what you want to do. The only pivot we have so far on SPY is like some ways down. I kind of like to match them up. I would prefer to match them up at least. But they're not calculating. So, it is what it is. As we get closer and closer to our entry, we tapped into that 4 hour, but we do have a higher time frame gap just slightly below that. So yes, we can disregard that gap and just launch right here, but I wouldn't take that trade. You got this 1 minute right here, which isn't a bad inversion. See if we can get another one though. Let's see if we can get another one though. We got 5 minutes until this 15-minute candle close, so excuse me. But yeah. Excuse me. Let's just be patient. Oh, looks like we are getting it. We got the, or just about. Looks like we're gonna get the test on Anguizi to put us about right there. Let's see. I don't wanna front run this. Looking at what? 5850. Should I go against the trend too much? You know, some would say the same about me. It is what it is. Let's see. It's looking good. I think I might jab it right here. Let's see if we can get a better a better price. All right, we're in. We're not getting much. We're not getting much volume down here. So not much volume going on down here. So let's see if we can get a move back up into that area. And it really makes this gap right here very, very interesting. we got our first 15-minute candle printed, and we have some nice moves going on as well. So my analysis is we flip this 1 minute. We get an entry off of that. We flip this 1 minute, stop at the low, and we are targeting VWAP, which is about 140 points. Break even somewhere around here. 1. 2, I'm sorry, break even. Depending on when we flip it, if this closes this gap into this zone, then yeah, break even. I'll see. But first target would be right here, 893. Second thesis is we don't flip this 1 minute and did it just happen like that? Oh, yes it did. So yeah, we inverse this. I always get in on the pullback, and we ride it on up. Got the inversion. Let's see what this is looking like. I didn't say Siri, so get off of my screen. Oh, sorry, wrong thing. Not short, long. Thought I put a long zone on there. Yeah, we'll take this. We'll take this right here, for sure, and manage our trade accordingly. Manage our trade accordingly. Oh yes, today is gonna be a good day. Can't y'all smell it? Can't y'all smell it? Come on, give us 773, please. I had our orders at 7, or I'm sorry. Yeah, 773. Okay. And I think I'm gonna jump in. Maybe a little early. It's like edging our entry, so literally about like 2 points away. See if we can get it on this candle right here. Yes, sir.
Order filled.
We did. Wow, the slippage is crazy. Across the accounts, the slippage is insane. Yeah, stops at that low. And looks like this one's gonna be a quick one. Let's see. We got fill right there. 50-point stop. We do have a daily pivot down here, so let's see. Say we start off the stream with a banger, man. Normally we start off with a little minor loss, and then it tends to pick up after that. So let's see if this 5 minute wants to be our friend. It's looking like it. Our NDX call that we grabbed off of this pivot, it was up 50%, I think. Didn't take it though. Looking for a nice swing. So I normally hold those until at least 100% gain. You know, just me. Like I said, y'all can manage your trade as y'all see fit. But yeah, we pick up here at 24. We definitely see 28. I think my 28. Okay. If not, then 20. Just my thoughts. That's my thoughts. And as volume picks up, oh wow. And yeah, looks like we're gonna get stopped.
Stop field.
Yeah. So that's beautiful, you know. What can I say? Can't do anything about it. Let's take a screenshot for the server. And then yeah. So what do we have? Wait a second. That wasn't the pivot. Oh wow. I feel stupid now. So we had our pivot's down here at 660. This was our higher time frame one. But not our intraday one. I feel a little slow now. Let's see where this draws though. And if we go to if we go down to 20. Most, and I don't know where the little star thing's at on my keyboard. Somebody help me out. Oh, there we go. Boom. Mistyped it. 3, 7. I don't know why SPY isn't. Oh, here we go. Of course, 10 minutes later. So let's see. I don't know why this stuff is taking so long to load up. Our POC's up there. So let's see if we get a bounce at 20. Oh, I'm about to turn Siri off, bro. Or keep thinking I'm talking to her. Let's see. So those calls are cooked. At least as of right now, they are. Let's see if we can get what a test of 20 looks like. If we see 615 today, that'll be a good John. Got a new hourly candle in about 30 seconds, so let's see what what I wanna do. No volume down here though. Again, oh, I'm sorry. It's a 15-minute. Do your thing then, NASDAQ. Do your thing. I will not stop you. I promise. See if we jump into some calls right here. So you're totally wrong, which is fine. Which is completely fine. Um, hmm. If this thing sees nah, man, if this thing sees 615, the Discord is going to be very mad. Um Discord is going to be very mad. Look, if y'all didn't sign up for if y'all not in the Discord, man, I ain't even gonna say too much. Just go ahead in the Discord. Go ahead in the Discord. I'm saying proof is in the pudding. The proof is in the pudding. Proof's in the pudding, man. I gotta figure out how to actually. Yo, like I swear I did this already. Do that later. Don't know if it's gonna bring up my my card information that I already got on there. Look, man. This could get jabbed at again for long. We gonna be patient though. We gonna be patient though. But it could get jabbed at for long. I liked it off of this pivot. Our volume's picking up right here, which is a good sign. So let's see if we can, you know, quickly move past that, or what we do. Let's see what we do. But yeah, let's we did take a hit on the funded accounts because I did jab at that to bounce right there long. So yeah, we'll probably take one more. Yeah, probably take one more and see what what that looks like. Only thing is though, like being down here so far away from uh like our next point of interest, like our next POI is probably going to be down here. Cuz this 15-minute gap is a little crazy, which yes, we did fill, but um like if this gives, our next draw would be down here. If not, these lows down here. So, and not saying we get all that today either. Um, it just makes it hard to get like an entry, you know, because ICT, you get multiple setups a day. Um, the difficulty is finding which setups to take and what setups to yeah, I gotta update my chart. I got higher time frame pivot right there, and that's wrong. But yeah, the difficulty comes in and what setups to take and which ones to, you know, just pass on, even if it looks good. So yeah, I thought that one looked good enough. Uh, so we could take out these highs up here. But market said no, not today. So um, yeah, it's all good though. It is all good. Let's it's all good. Um, yeah, let's see where this wants to go from here. I was expecting a more aggressive bounce off of 20. The fact that we're stalling um, isn't necessarily a good thing. Not to say it's a bad thing, but not really a good thing, you know. So let's see if let's see what we get by tapping into this. Uh, let's see what we get by tapping into that. Mm-hmm. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, right? Should have played our our breakout strat instead. Had too much going on, man. It's all good. It is all good. Shall we jab this right here? Shall we? Shall we? Did we hit bottom? If this isn't bottom right here, then yeah, S&P is freaking. If that's not bottom, then our next draw would be 15. And then after 15, maybe like 608, but 600 if not. I feel you. I'm alerting the Discord. Okay. Talk to me nice. It looked like she want to go for 15. Yeah. I feel y'all. I feel y'all. But yeah, it is what it is. Took an L on the fundeds. That stung a little bit. That stung a little bit. Not gonna lie, sting a little bit. But it's all good. It's all good. That's what happens when you trade reversals. You know, I am not a go with the flow type of dude. So I'm not a go with the flow type of trader. Right, man. Going against the trend. Against the trend. This thing pumping up, I'm shorting it. If this thing's dumping, I'm buying it. It is what it is. We live with the results. Um, and glory of God, we are profitable. So something's gotta be working for those who
You don't go with the trend.
you know, something's gotta be working. Something's got to be working. I'm really liking um I really like 20 for a bounce. It's crazy. But the fact that we didn't pick up right there with like a nice bit of volume, they could squeeze it from right here, yes. But the fact that we're at about 19, trading at 19 and some, it's just really making it look like uh we're about to go somewhere else. Yeah, I did not update my chart. I got the daily pivot down there. Whole time the daily pivot's up there. The next one's down here at 607. I told y'all 608. I didn't even look at this thing. But about 608 for the next draw. Um, what are we getting? We will jab at something like this. And I want to maybe it might make it a little tight or about the same. I'll jab at something like that. Uh, and see if we can. I mean, did I update this one? Yeah, this one's updated. I did this one. So yeah, see if we get something like that, chat. If not, then you know, call it GG's. We are still net green on the day, even though you did take about a 50-point hit on we did take a 50-point hit on our funded accounts. We are still up uh we are still up some money on across everything. Across the board, I should say. So can never ever ever be mad at that. Uh and yeah, let's see if we can uh this is an hour, but um yeah, I mean, let's see if we can deliver out of this hourly gap. Uh if not, and we close at about 550, 550, 540, then I just wouldn't be interested in long until like we get back up here and start trading at like 800. And yeah, it's like a 300-point move, but I just wouldn't be interested in longs. Would not be interested in longs. That's why I said like really has to pick up here, or it could get bad, and it could get bad fast. It could get bad fast for SPY. I know some of y'all trade SPY. Um, yeah, I mean 690, 691. I would jab that. I feel like that is perfect as well because SPY's higher time frame pivots almost always uh aligns with the intraday ones, even though they're calculated uh the same, slightly different. Don't catch me lying. I don't know the exact jaw, but um yeah, they almost always align with the intraday ones. You see, we got 691.50, and then we got like 690.90. So it's like $1 off. I would say like 691 calls at this level would be, you know, good. 691 calls would be fairly good, and then your first target would be like 94. Um, and then manage your trade from there. But back to what we do on a daily basis. See if we hey just got this notification. Somebody said just blew my account. God forbid. God forbid. Um yeah. Oh, it looks like we're stalling. Looks like we just drawing and stalling. Drawing and stalling and yeah, man. This is all good. This could either send right here at this pivot, 620. And you can get in off the reclaim, or you know, back test short, which is like another something else we got in the playbook. You know, the back test short. And if that's what's happening here, you know, pal, we've got some ways to go. We've got some ways to go because this could be what takes us to 15. Only thing is, let's see, 15, about $2 on SPY. Yeah, yeah, I'm liking it. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. What is Yeah, that's why Nvidia just freaking dumped it. It's crazy. Apple's still hanging in there. If Apple gives out, you're cooked. We're cooked. If Apple gives out, if Apple gives out with everything else already going down, uh, this should get bad. Oh man, but yeah, I mean we oh, might wrap it up early. Might wrap it up early today. Made our coins. We made our coins. So yeah. Yeah. Made our coins. Yeah. That's exactly what I'm seeing. It looks like it wants to go oversold, which really oversell us at about 15. Uh 21. Which really sets us up for it sets us up nice. Um because if we could sweep you go down about 14. I would say 14 instead of 15. 14. Take yesterday's yesterday's low. Bambi. Hello. Hopefully you're still in here. I don't think I missed it. Maybe I did. But hello. If you are still watching. But yeah, see, if we could take yesterday's low and we could take yesterday's low before we bounce. Okay. Yeah, it looks like she just wanted to pick up at 17, which is fine. Do your thing, 21. We are not in anything. Just got this sitting over here because it's something I was interested in. But now it's less and less of that. Let's see. It's really it's really you know, it's really lost my train of thought. I'm sorry. Hmm. Yeah, I just forgot what I was gonna say. Lord have mercy. Oh, it's interesting to see where they are going to close us at. Um, you know, like we can. Mm, I don't know. I don't know. I feel like this is fair. 20 area. I feel like the 20 area is fair. Um, it's like getting a. I don't know. I feel like the 20 area is fair. It's fair. Sorry. I feel like the 20 area is fair. Still green. Uh, pin that. We're being patient now. So, yeah. Don't want to get copyrighted, so I'm not gonna play no music. But I know it is boring just sitting here. So, you know, yeah. You know, we're in this 1 minute, man. Do we deliver out of here to test that? I don't know. But um let's see. Yeah, we'll jab at something light. We'll go light. We'll go light. Um Not too crazy. And we'll probably go um looking for a bigger move. Uh and we'll go, our first target will be break even on the day. So just to see. Yeah, I don't like where we're at right now. I feel like this area is like fair price. Um and I don't like fair price. I like, I like it to be over. It kind of helps with the whole playing the reversal thing. Like it's for us to either be over one way or over the other way, which makes the um like the rubber band or the snapback, the trampoline, you kind of get quick moves. So that's what I said. Like I kind of knew once we didn't pick up here at 20, our next draw will be. I said 15. I'm not gonna, you know. So let's see if we get 15. I'm going to step away for a couple of minutes. I'll write what I'm looking at. Looking for 615 to go long. I'll be right back. And I'll take that off the screen for y'all. And move this a little bit over here. And yeah, see what comes of that. See what comes of that. I'll be back. Man, I am so sorry. I did not. I've honestly, um, I forgot this thing was still going. I'm not gonna lie. I was, I was in the Discord, um, in the Discord, walked away from my computer, man. Um, so yeah, I apologize. I apologize for that. Um, Nonetheless, though, we did not get what we wanted either way. Um, didn't get what we wanted. Either like the reclaim right here to for this to keep squeezing up. Um, or like this right here, which didn't really pay for much either. This inversion. So, I mean, I guess you could play this one down here for a better move. Um, but yeah, man, it is it is it's all good. We're gonna call it quits on today though. Uh Ending the day off green. Thinking about starting to do trade recaps on the day. So if that's something y'all would like to see, uh yeah, just let me know. I'll probably put a poll out in the Discord server. Um Little trade recap, John. But yeah. Yeah. Today was today was good, man. This week has been great. So yeah. Thank God for the dub we had today. And I will catch y'all tomorrow. Same time, 9:30. We ended it a little early today. But like I said, we like to make our money and get out of there. So um yeah. Catch y'all same time tomorrow. And until then, I'll be active in the Discord like I always am. If y'all ever need anything, I'll be in there. Link in the description to join. And yeah, I'll catch y'all.